loves, Miss Delphinia Beasley here with another edition of the Rocker Diaries. In September of 1862, General Robert E. Lee, Confederate general, seized the initiative and invaded the North. He needed a decisive victory. If he could do this, he might convince some of the European nations to recognize the South as an independent nation. Thereby, for all intents and purposes, the war would be over. Well, chasing Lee was General George McClellan, who was overcautious, slow, and hesitant. And as his troops were chasing Lee, trying to find Lee's troops, McClellan agonized over what to do. When fate intervened, when an Indiana regiment stopped to rest in a field in Maryland, where only several days earlier Lee's troops had been. 3 soldiers lay down on the grass to rest. They looked over and they saw something. When they opened it up, it was an envelope. When they opened it up, they found 3 cigars wrapped in a piece of paper. Ooh, what luck. They decided to split the cigars, and then one decided to look at the piece of paper to see what it was. And do you know what it was? It was the actual marching orders of Lee. They actually had all of his plan of attack, where his troops were going to be. All of it was right there. And armed with this information, McClellan went on the attack, which led to the Battle of Antietam, which was the bloodiest single battle in all of American history, the bloodiest day in all of American history. And it changed everything, all because of the curiosity of one soldier. The preacher in Ecclesiastes says, "The race is not always to the swift. The battle is not always to the strong, nor the riches to the wise man. But time and chance happens to them all." Don't you think it would be wise, my dears, to make friends with the one who controls time and chance? All the best to you, my dears. Cheers.